as you're getting ready to enter the market, or a seller looking to sell and upgrade your property, it's important to consider all of your options before making a decision. Hello, I'm Maria Trujillo with eXp Realty. New construction versus existing homes. Which one will come out on top? Let's start with new build. The primary advantage of buying a new build is that you get to own a brand new, never lived in home that's customized to your specifications. You get to choose the floor plan, appliances, and all the finishes. You can also take advantage of energy efficient builder options, saving you money on your utility bills over time. And more often than not, the builder will come up with some great buying incentives. You also have the option of deciding on a quick move-in home, which is due to be completed soon. The quick move-ins are homes where the builder's design team have pre-selected the upgrades and options that are popular with buyers, so you don't have to stress over what finish you want. Builders offer quick move-ins because they know that there's a general shortage of housing inventory, and buyers may not be able to wait for the longer construction process of a customized build. Now, let's talk about existing homes. The biggest advantage of buying an existing home is that you can see exactly what you're getting. You can walk through the rooms and inspect the plumbing and electrical systems and get a feel for the neighborhood. Existing homes have established yards and landscaping, so you don't have to wait for years for trees and shrubs to grow. Additionally, existing homes are in established neighborhoods, and they give you a sense of community. Now let's look at cost. It's essential to consider the purchase price and ongoing expenses. New construction may have a higher purchase price, but more efficient appliances with reduced maintenance costs. Existing homes may have a lower purchase price, but require upgrades and repairs that can add to the cost. Bottom line, if you're planning to explore either option, it's best to consult with an experienced real estate professional who's familiar with both new construction builders and the existing resale market. Feel free to connect with me so that we can guide you through this important decision. I'm Maria Trujillo with eXp Realty.